on. Longitudinal waves in bars. Free bar. Here bar is free at both ends. Consider a bar of length L. So at first end x is equal to 0 and at next last end x is equal to L. As bar is free at both ends, at next end the displacement of longitudinal wave will be more. Now writing the boundary conditions, dou y by dou x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0, dou y by dou x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1 for all times t. Right? Now we know the solution of longitudinal wave as y equal to a1 sin omega t minus kx plus a2 sin omega t plus kx plus b1 cos omega t minus kx plus b2 cos omega t plus kx. Keep it as equation 1. Now let us differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. So using the differential formulas, differentiation of sin theta as cos theta, differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta. So first here dou y by dou x, that is equal to a1, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, so cos omega t minus kx. Again differentiation of minus of kx is nothing but we will get minus k, we wrote here. So the differentiation of a1 sin omega t minus kx is minus k a1 cos omega t minus kx plus again differentiation of sin theta we write as cos theta cos omega t plus kx. Here in the place of theta we are having omega t plus kx, and differentiation of kx as usual k, so it become k a2 cos omega t plus kx plus, now differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus sin omega t minus kx, and here the differentiation of minus kx is minus k. Okay, so we write b1 of minus k of minus sin omega t minus kx, right, plus b2 minus of sin omega t plus kx of k. So overall equation becomes minus k a1 cos omega t minus kx plus k a2 cos omega t plus kx plus k b1 sin omega t minus kx minus k b2 sin omega t plus kx. Now let us apply the boundary condition. At x is equal to 0, dou y by dou x is equal to 0. So here in the place of x we will substitute 0 and dou y by dou x will also be 0, the first boundary condition. So we write 0 equal to minus k a1 cos omega t plus, at the place of x we substituted 0, plus k a2 cos omega t plus k b1 sin omega t minus k b2 sin omega t. So 0 equal to, here in these two terms we can take k cos omega t as common, we will get a2 minus a1 plus in last two terms we are taking k sin omega t as common, b1 minus b2, or we can also write it as k cos omega t a2 minus a1 equal to 0, from that we get a2 equal to a1, and k sin omega t b1 minus b2 equal to 0, from that we get b1 equal to b2. Now substituting these two values in equation 1, that is in equation 1 in place of a2 what I will substitute, a1, and in place of b2 I will substitute b1 and write the equation 1 as y equal to a1 sin omega t minus kx plus sin omega t plus kx of plus b1 cos omega t minus kx plus cos omega t plus kx. Now using trigonometric formulas, sin a minus b can be written as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Similarly, sin A plus B can be written as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So writing in place of A omega t, in place of B kx, we get A1 sin omega t cos kx minus cos omega t sin kx plus, now for this sin omega t cos kx plus cos omega t sin kx plus, similarly cos A minus B we will write it as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and the formula for cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So in place of A we are writing omega t, B kx. So plus B1 cos omega t cos kx plus sin omega t sin kx plus cos omega t cos kx minus sin omega t sin kx. So here in A1 bracket cos omega t sin kx strikes off, and here in B1 bracket sin omega t sin kx strikes off. Now the remaining terms are A1 2 sin omega t cos kx plus B1 2 cos omega t kx. In both cos kx is common. So 2A1 sin omega t plus 2B1 cos omega t. In place of 2A1 we will write A. In place of 2B1 we will write capital B. So the equation turns out to be A sin omega t plus B cos omega t into cos kx. Now let us differentiate this equation 3 with respect to x. So dou y by dou x is equal to, with respect to x we are saying, so this becomes constant term and we will write a constant term as it is. A sin omega t plus B cos omega t of, now differentiation of cos kx will be minus sin kx and differentiation of kx is k. So we will get the differentiation of cos kx as minus k sin kx, right? Now applying the second boundary condition here, that is dou y by dou x is equal to 0 at x is equal to L, we get 0 equal to A sin omega t plus B cos omega t sin kl. In place of x we wrote kl. Now as A and B are not equal to 0, so sin kl must be equal to 0. So here minus k will be there. Now sin kl can be written as sin n pi, or k n l is equal to n pi with n as 1, 2, 3 so on, or kn is written as n pi by l. Now corresponding frequencies are, we know kn is the propagation constant 2 pi by lambda, that is equal to n pi by l. Okay. Now lambda means nothing but v by nu. So that is v is equal to nu lambda, lambda equal to v by nu. So 2 pi nu by v equal to n pi by l, pi strikes off. So the fundamental frequency comes out to be n v by 2l with n equal to 1, 2 so on, and the velocity v equal to under root y by rho. And here bar is free at both ends we are saying. So we get maximum displacements, so we get antinodes at both ends. Okay, we find antinodes at this free ends. If we go for second mode of frequency also, we find antinodes at the free ends. And the general equation turns out to be summa y equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos omega nt plus bn sin omega nt cos kn x.